Hi everyone. Today we're talking about simple present tense. So this lecture we will take simple present tense. We will explain how and when is used this tense. So how to use? We will explain different structure of different formula of this tense. Also we will explain which time is used this tense, and we will discuss how to make question or negative answer if someone asks you a simple present tense question. How can you answer or give him a negative answer? We will discuss all these things. So when and which time is used this tense? This tense is using any action happen every time, every day, or daily action, habitual action, or what always happen, and how to use. When we talking how to use, it has two structural formula. It has two formula. One formula is called the first formula is called plural formula, because plural means many, like you, they, we, all these are many people, more than one people. So we're writing like this. The formula, structural formula of the plural formula is like this: subject plus verb plus object. For example, subject is the one who doing the action, like we, you, they, all these are the one who done the action. And verb is the what they are doing, the action they are doing. They are eating, or they are cooking, or sleeping. All these are the actions they are doing. And the objective is the what the action is the one was done, like something eaten, like we eat meal. What we eat is a meal, so the meal is the sub object. What we cook or what you cook is food, so the food is the object. Sometimes object is the absent. Sometimes there is no object, like this: they sleep every time, they sleep every night. So every night is not object, it is artifact. It it shows when they sleep, yeah, how many days, the frequency of the sleep. So this is not this is not object. Every day, all the artifacts used in simple present tense, like always, or daily, or every day, or every time, or anything. All these you will see later. The another formula called singular formula. Singular means single, like he and she. They are they are single individual, or single person. So the formula will be subjective plus verb. So the difference is here. The the differential between two verb, two formula is the here. You should add the verb s. Some verbs you should add es, like all the verbs, the last letter, like s, o, x, z, h, you should add es. If the last letter is y, and the next next letter is not vowel. You should change y and make I, then you should add es, like this phrase. Phrase contain, it was fry, so we changed it, or I we converted y to I. So you see, but if the next letter is vowel like a, you couldn't change. You are not changing y. Only you would add s, like place. Place. We didn't change it, you see. So if the next letter is not vowel, you should change y to I. Then you should add es, like fries. So that is the difference. There is no other differences. Only the difference is the verb, the changes in the verb. He plays the football. She fries the fish. So there is no other difference. Subjective plus verb plus objective. The only difference is the adding s, es, and ies. She plays football. He fries fish. She washes clothes. She washes clothes. She watches TV. So we have seen two formula of simple present tense, singular formula and plural formula. So these two form of them, simple present tense, these two forms of them formula is the affirmative formula. Is affirmative formula. This speech is positive speech. So let's go. So just we make another example is of them how to make question. So we have seen positive speech or affirmative. So now we need to ask someone a question using simple present tense. The plural formula, there will be no change, only you will add do. Then you will take subjective plus verb plus objective. Only we add do before them structural formula. So do we eat 3 meals every day? So this become absolutely, this is a question. Do we eat 3 meals every day? Do you cook food? Yeah, this is a question. So this was you cook food. But when we add do before the affirmative, it become do you cook food? Do they sleep every night? So that is a question. So you need to give someone negative answer in plural formula. You will make this subjective. You will add don't, verb plus objective. The affirmative formula, only we added don't. So we add don't between verb and subject. So we don't eat, or we do not eat 3 meals every day. You don't eat, or you do not eat. You do not cook food. I mean, sorry. They don't sleep every night. So that is how to give someone negative answers in the plural plural formula of the simple present tense. In singular, when you need someone to ask a question using singular formula, you will do like this. You will add das and subject plus verb plus subject. So I think you see the changes happen. Yeah. You are not adding. You should add we added does, and also this become the plural formula of the affirmative. It's become like this. So the I mean plural, when you're asking someone a question in plural, the difference between plural and singular formula is does and do, but there is no other difference. You see, does and do. So does he play football? Does he fry fish? So it was a fries place. So you removing es and as, or all these things, all these you will remove, and you add before. does does he watch TV? Negative answer. So when you need to give someone negative answers, you will add doesn't, then verb plus object. So that's it. he he doesn't play football. He doesn't fry fish. Sorry, he does not watch clothes. He does not watch TV. So there is adverbs which is specifically used only for simple present tense. We will see. I told you before. So seldom, always, usually, never, sometimes, often, frequently, generally, habitually, occasionally, once, twice, thrice. If you see any of these adverbs, all these are adverbs. Maybe we can use this one. Or we always play football, or like never eat, never drink, never smoke. If someone say never smoke, the tense he's using is a simple present tense. All this adverb is used for simple present tense. You can't use other verbs you can't use. This is for only simple present tense. So we finish this lecture. So please practice this. I give you. So the verb is given, and also the object is given. Also adverb, some adverb, I added some adverb like twice a day. It You should add the subjects, all the subjects, plural formula and both plural formula and singular formula using. Then you will change negative. Then you will first you should change affirmative, then question, then you should change it to negative answer. All. Thank you so much. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel.